ViaBecs head unit comes with a custom-designed hazard warning button that fits seamlessly into the dashboard, eliminating the need for any cutting or modification. Because our Android head unit is designed specifically for the 2012 to 2016 Honda CRV. Other head units don't include a hazard warning light kit. This means that it needs to utilize the factory button dash kit again. However, the OEM dash kit is too long and hits the dashboard trim during installation. In this case, the center panel must be trimmed or cut to make space, risking damage to the vehicle's interior. The video shows a factory OEM hazard warning button being reused. The original switch is too long, the dashboard trim has to be cut just to make it fit. But not ours. Our CRV head unit comes with a perfectly matched hazard light kit built in. No cutting, no frustration, and no damaging your car's interior. Just plug, snap, and play.